everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Keerthi Kumar, and in case if you're visiting my channel for the first time, or in case if you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, please do click that subscribe button, guys. That means so much to me. So yes, today's video is all about my current makeup obsession products. So yeah, today I'm gonna share my favorite makeup products which I am just adoring this like recently. So yeah, so without any further ado, let's get into the video now. So first, let's just get into the base makeup products, guys. So first, let's just talk about the foundations. Anyway, I'm not a huge fan of primer. So if you are just watching my videos, then you would probably know that I am not even actually using primer. So yeah, so just leave the primer part, and we're just gonna go with the foundation now. So for the foundation, one of my favorite foundations right now is this one. So this baby right here, this is the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation, and I'm in the shade called 07 Sand. This is an exact shade match to my skin tone, guys. It's like a perfect shade match to my skin tone. So if you're someone like close to my skin tone, I'm like NC42 in MAC. At times I mix like NC40 and 42 in MAC. So then you can actually check out this shade. But I always suggest you guys to swatch the shade at the store, because it's only then you can get the perfect shade match and you can pick the perfect foundation shade, guys. So yeah, this is a beautiful foundation, guys. It's like a medium to full coverage foundation, and it comes with a matte formula basically, but it's not drying matte on skin. So it's matte, but it's not drying matte, you know, like what I mean. So, and also it can cover up like the little blemishes. I don't say that it will cover up the hardest pigmentation and the hardest blemishes kind of part, but it can cover up a bit of acne, a bit of redness, a bit of pigmentation, and a bit of dark circles, like mild dark circles and all of that. So it is that Conceal Plus Foundation formula, which gives like that good medium to full coverage, but it's very lightweight on skin. Even though it's like a Conceal Plus Perfect foundation, it's like a concealer foundation. It's not heavy on skin, it's not cakey on skin, or it's not like chalky on skin. It's, you know, it's just like very lightweight on skin, but it still performs what the name says. It hides, it conceals these spots that are there any on skin. But I just feel that it may not conceal the hardest pigmentation areas, but it can cover up to mild to medium pigmentation spots and acne marks. So this is my favorite foundation at the moment. So another foundation which I have been using so much recently is this LA Girl Pro Coverage Illuminating HD Foundation. So yes, guys, there are two versions in this foundation. One is basically a matte version and the other is an illuminating version. So I love illuminating foundations. I love dewy foundations. I love my makeup to be like more radiant than matte. I just feel that, you know, radiant makeup like looks a lot more natural and glowy on skin. It kind of makes me feel that, you know, I'm just having that good skin kind of days. I don't know, I prefer radiant finish foundations a lot, like illuminating finish foundations a lot over matte basically. I don't like the drying matte formula foundations on my skin because I have dry skin. Okay, so this foundation is just like the exact dupe for the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundations, guys. So yeah, the Makeup Forever foundations are obviously expensive. It's a high-end brand, so in case if you just want to buy a dupe for that from the drugstore, then just check out this foundation, guys. It will not disappoint you, I'm just pretty sure. And it is again a medium to full coverage foundation, and yeah, it can cover up the mild pigmentation and spots on your skin. And again, I love the shade range of this as well, but not compared to the high-end brands, because in high-end brands you actually have like 30 to 40 different shades. I think it has got some 10 shades, I guess. I'm not so sure. My shade is called warm beige. So this is an exact match to my skin tone. Again, this warm beige. So in case if you're someone close to my skin tone, maybe try this out at the store. So yeah, again, it's pretty long lasting on skin. So I have worn this many times when I was just going out in the morning, and even when I return home in the evening, it kind of stays pretty strong on skin. So I just love this, and this is a formula which is not drying on skin. Obviously the name says it all. It's illuminating, and It's not chalky. Even you can also layer with this product. It will not make the look chalky or cakey. I absolutely adore this foundation so much. If you're watching my videos, then you would probably know that this is the foundation that I'm reaching out for mostly these days. So yeah, the next product. Okay, please excuse me guys, I'm just having cold right now. So yeah, let's just go with the concealer part now. So again, if you're watching my videos recently, then you would know this one also guys. You would just guess this right, that I am using this ColourPop no filter concealer like in almost every single video of mine recently. So I'm just so much obsessed with this concealer guys. It's again matte formula concealer, but it's not drying matte on skin. So even if you have like dry skin, you can still work with this concealer out because it's not drying matte on skin. And again, the shade range in this concealer is just so beautiful out there. I guess there are like so many shades in this concealer. If I'm not sure, let me just check that out. So just now I checked it online guys. So this concealer is available in 30 different shades out there, which is pretty much amazing. And this kind of costs around like $6 I guess, $6 to $7 I guess. So which is for a pretty decent price, I just have to say. Those many shade range and you just get for a very decent price, then this is a best bet. And formulation is just like super good. The pigmentation is just like super good. I love the pigmentation and the coverage this concealer gives. So in case if you have like heavy dark circles, pigmentation or anything of that sort, you can work with this concealer because it's like high coverage concealer. And yeah, I basically love to use this to kind of highlight my skin. But you know what, if you just go with the exact shade match with your skin tone, you can hide any imperfections with that. It's like pretty full coverage. So yeah, the next product which I love is this Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder, you guys. I mean, like, I love this powder so much. So recently, instead of the loose powder, I'm just actually using this one on all my high points. So this powder is actually, you know, it is a kind of, it's actually made with kind of different technology. So it has this technology in it which kind of smoothens the skin, and also it refracts the light. Basically, when you just apply it on all the high points, it kind of refracts the light from the skin, and it comes in 6 different shades. So you can just pick a good shade match to your skin tone. This is in the shade called Dim Light, but it kind of suits my skin well. So we just see it's just like very palish yellowish kind of color. It's not even yellow, it's not even white either. So it's just like a natural skin tone-y kind of color, but which is a little brighter than my complexion. So it is super good to apply it on the highlighting areas. I usually don't apply this all over my face, guys. I just love to apply it only under my eyes and the bridge bone and all of that, the high points basically, so that it kind of refracts the light and it gives that appearance of that brightening effect on the skin. So yeah, this is my favorite product at the moment. And then the next product which I love, let's just go with blush. Maybe I think you can guess this one right as well, because I have been using this so much these days, that this is the NARS Orgasm Blush. So you know, the NARS is coming up with a lot of collection in this range, Orgasm, guys. I just also have a lip, what is that, a vinyl lip lacquer, something like that. It's a kind of glossy tint which has like shine particles in it, in the same range, so the Orgasm range. And I love that. I mean, like, that glow with that, I mean, like, you can get some stunning glow on your lips with that gloss, guys. But I don't think it's a kind of an everyday wear gloss. If you just want to create some good stunning party looks, you can check that gloss out. So yeah, whatever, let's just get into this blush part. So this is my favorite blush at the moment, just because, you know what, it's not an overpowering color. So you can just see that gorgeous color. I love this blush, you guys. So it's not completely pink and it's not completely peach, so it's a mix of pinky peachy kind of toned color, which has this gold reflecting particles in it. So it has that, you know, like gold shine in it basically. Let me just show that to you. Swatch of it. So can you guys see that? Oh, I don't even know whether it's kind of visible on my skin or not, that gold thing. Is that visible on my skin? Okay, not so sure, but you know what, it's just a stunning blush out there, and also it complements Indian complexions so well. You know what, picking up a right blush shade for the Indian complexions, like the British complexion, is actually a harder task, because you know what, when you just take up the super darker colors out there, then it will literally make your look so fugly, because they are like a lot more pigmented, and if you just take some colors which are like very dully pigmented, they will not show up on your skin. So yeah, you just have to pick a very right shade of blush which looks natural in your skin, and it kind of gives that natural rosy cheeks kind of look. So for that, I just think that this blush is perfect. It's not overpowering on skin, and also it has got that shine particles, you know, that gold reflective shine particles in it. I prefer always the blushes which has some shine in it, because you know what, it kind of makes the skin glow. I love matte blushes, but you know what, if I just have to compare and if I just have to pick one, then I love the blushes that has got some shine in it. So yeah, the next favorite product, I've already talked about this in my highlighters video, guys. This is my favorite highlighter at the moment. This is the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. Oh my god, I just don't even know that drugstore can come up with such a stunning highlighter out there. I'm like, this highlighter is bomb. You just have to check this out. This is in the shade called Molten Gold, and it's a perfect match to the Indian British complexion out there. Even if you just have got some cool undertone, I guess this kind of works still, but I just feel that if you have got like that warm undertones in your skin, this highlighter is the best that you can get your hands on. And let me just show this swatch to you. Can you see that glow? I mean, like, this highlighter is just like bomb, guys. I love this highlighter, particularly for the price range. You get such a good fine quality highlighter, and it's not at all chunky on skin. It's like really finely milled, and it gives that goldish you know, bomb glow on the skin, which looks so stunning on Indian complexion again. So yeah, and let's get into the lipsticks part right now, which is my favorite. I love wearing lipsticks. So yeah, let's just get with the best favorite lipstick, which I'm using almost like any single day when I'm just going out. You know what, even when I don't put any makeup on my skin, this is the lipstick that I'm reaching out for most of the days. You know what, I am recently obsessed with nudes and browns and all of that. For some reason, I'm just liking that colors these days, and this shade is just amazing, you guys. This is called Steve from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills matte collection. It's the shade called Steve. Let me just give a swatch to you. Where should I even put that? Oops. So can you just see that shade? Oh my god, this shade is again gorgeous. It's not entirely brown. It has that mix of brown tints in it. So usually, again, picking up a right brown shade to the Indian complexion is again a hard task, guys. This brown is super good in complementing the Indian British complexion. Again, I love this brown shade. So even on days when I just put like no makeup on, literally no makeup on, this is the foundation that, sorry, this is the lipstick that I've been reaching out for. Yeah, you can check this out. This shade is called Steve, and then there is another shade which I'm actually using a lot more these days. So if I just want to go with that, you know, no lipstick kind of look, which is like, you know, lips but better than my lip color kind of lipstick, then this is the one that I'm reaching out for. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick again in the shade called Spice. So yeah, let me just give a swatch to you. So can you see that swatch? It's actually kind of darker where I actually swatched it out on the skin, but you know what, on the lips it's not this pigmented. It's actually little lighter on lips. It shows up a little lighter on lips. I don't know, is it with everyone else or it's like with me, but it shows like a little lighter on my lips, and it is like a perfect nude to my skin tone. So it's like a perfect nude to the British Indian complexions. So I'm just wearing this lipstick when I just want to put that no makeup look on my skin. So yeah, the other lipstick which I'm loving recently is from Maybelline. This is the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink Lipstick, and this is the shade called Self Starter, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, the Self Starter, and the number is 130. So yeah, this is again a gorgeous lip color, guys. I just feel that, you know, the lipsticks that has got some tangerine and orangey tints to it kind of brightens the Indian complexion so well. So any lipstick that has got some orange tints to it or tangerine tints to it kind of brightens the Indian complexion. So you know, this again has that orangey tint in it. It's not entirely orangey, but it has that peachy tangerine orangey tint in it. So yeah, that's the lipstick. Yeah, this is the lipstick. So it's so stunning on the Indian complexion again. I actually wore this lipstick without any makeup on my skin, but you know, that was not flattering at all. I don't know, for some reason this lipstick looks super good when I just have that foundation on my skin, but without foundation this is not complimenting my skin. I don't know why. I think this color is making me look a little pale when I'm just using it without foundation, but with foundation, you know what, this lipstick is just so beautiful. So yeah, again, this is a matte formula matte formula lipstick. Like, what am I talking? So yeah, this is actually a matte formula lipstick, and it's not entirely drying on lips, because I have tried other lipsticks. Like, you know, there is a lipstick from MAC which is the liquid lipstick collection, which is like super drying on lips. I'm like, it's I don't even know like why the hell did I invest in that lipstick. It's like very drying on lips, but this formula is not like that drying on lips, as normally matte formula is a bit drying on lips. So it's just like that drying, but it's not like, you know, like super drying, you know, like what I mean. So yeah, again, this is one of my favorite shade from this range. But you know what, there is a little drawback with this this lipstick, guys. You know what, it is kind of making my lips, like when I'm doing this, my lips are like sticking to it when I'm just using this lipstick. So what I'm doing is, when I'm just using this lipstick, all what I will do is I'll just put a tissue over here and I'll just powder on top of that, and also I'll just do this by taking a tissue. I'll just remove off the excess, and yeah, I'll just set it with a powder so that it kind of stays matte, and it will not give that effect of that sticking lips kind of effect. So I think you're getting it. So right now I just wore this lipstick. I mixed that with kind of the Spice. I didn't mix it actually. I just applied this lipstick, and in the center I kind of dabbed that Spice lipstick from Anastasia. So that's it for this video, guys. These are my current favorite makeup obsession products, which I'm adoring so much right now. So yeah, and I hope you like this video, and I hope you'll find this video interesting. So in case if you like this video, please do hit that like button, guys. That means so much to me. And also please do hit that subscribe button over there. Click that subscribe button. That means so much to me again. So yeah, and if you have any makeup related questions, or like beauty related questions, or like any makeup topic suggestions, please put them in my comment section below, guys. I would love to answer them for you guys. And also please don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms. My Instagram handle is Keerthi Kumar Makeup. So that's all for this video, guys. We'll be seeing you soon with another video. Till then, have a great day. Bye.